Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's English lecture on Shakespeare. Jim?
To be, or not to be, that is the question, whether 'tis nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune or to take arms against a sea of troubles and by opposing end them. To die, to sleep no more and by a sleep to say we end the heartache, and the thousand natural shocks that flesh is heir to. 'Tis a consummation devoutly to be wished.
Bloom has a deep appreciation for Shakespeare and considers him to be the supreme center of the Western canon. The first edition of The Anxiety of Influence almost completely avoided Shakespeare, whom Bloom considered, at the time, barely touched by the psychological drama of anxiety. In his 1998 survey, Shakespeare, The Invention of the Human, Bloom provides an analysis of each of Shakespeare's 38 plays, 24 of which are masterpieces. Written as a companion to the general reader and theatergoer, Bloom declares that bidolatry ought to be even more a secular religion than it already is. He also contends in the work, as in the title, that Shakespeare invented humanity, in that he prescribed the now common practice of overhearing ourselves, which drives our changes.
A fungus is a member of a large group of eukaryotic organisms that includes microorganisms such as yeasts and molds, as well as the more familiar mushrooms. These organisms are classified as a kingdom, fungi, which is separate from plants, animals, and bacteria. One major difference is that fungal cells have cell walls that contain chitin, unlike the cell walls of plants, which contain cellulose.
Wow, Jim. That is a very interesting argument.
Thank you, Mary.
And thank you all for attending this class.